Is it running?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hi there. Well, hello. I'm wearing one just like you. You're gray. You're not.
You're not perfect gray.
Hi. Ronnie, I want a Ducorps now.
No, you can't have no Ducorps.
What a cockatoo really wants is under the wing, like this. Yeah. Cockatoos love that. Cockatoos love under the wing, don't they?
I have one at home. He's just like that.
We've got 11. And her mom raises the grays and the...
Uh-oh.
Ronnie, go get the...
No, it's an Amazon. I'm not touching it. Amazon will bite you.
You let me hold you? I got you down. It's okay. It's okay. This is the one you want to pet. He won't get it. He really wants to stay on his perch.
Yeah.
I take Ronnie. Look, under his crest is yellow. I see. You're so full of straws. I see. He doesn't have anybody to preen him. Yeah, I feel him. I feel all those issues.